மத்திய அரசின் மக்கள் நலத்திட்டங்களை டெல்லி முதலமைச்சர் அரவிந்த் கெஜ்ரிவால் தடுத்து வருவதாக புதுடெல்லி மக்களவைத் தொகுதி பாஜக வேட்பாளர் பன்சூரி ஸ்வராஜ் குற்றம் சாட்டியுள்ளார். மறைந்த முன்னாள் மத்திய அமைச்சர் சுஷ்மா ஸ்வராஜின் மகளான அவரிடம் நமது செய்தியாளர் வசந்தி நடத்திய கலந்துரையாடலை பார்க்கலாம்.
டெல்லி மக்களவை தேர்தல் பிரச்சாரமானது ஒரு புறம் ரொம்ப வீரமாக செயல்பட்டிருக்கிறது. மே 25ஆம் தேதி தேர்தல் நடைபெறக்கூடிய நிலையில நம்மிடையே தற்போது டெல்லியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பாஜக வேட்பாளராக களமிருக்கக்கூடிய பன்சூரி நம்ம கூட இருக்கிறார். அவரோட பேசலாம். மேம், first time you are contesting this election. How do you feel now? How do you going to the campaign now?
It might be my first time, but I'm not alone. The entire Shakti, the entire strength of my entire party and my Sangathan is with me. And that's what you see here. Just take a look behind us. If you want to pan your camera, you will see the strength of my entire party and Sangathan with me.
What are the key points? What are the key points at play in your constituency?
So this is a national election, so of course national issues take precedence. But there's one particular issue which is very peculiar to Delhi, not just New Delhi. There are many government schemes run by the Modi administration which are very beneficial. But Mr. Kejriwal, out of politics of selfish interest, has disallowed implementation of those government schemes in Delhi. For example, Ayushman Bharat is one such scheme. You know that in Ayushman Bharat, the beneficiary is granted a 5 lakh rupee worth of free health cover. In fact, now the Honorable Prime Minister has pledged to expand the ambit of Ayushman Bharat. Transgender community is going to be brought in, and every single Indian above the age of 70 years of age will be brought in. But Mr. Kejriwal, the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, has not allowed implementation of that and many such other schemes. The first thing that I will do if I'm elected is I will do everything in my power to ensure that these schemes run by the Modi administration for the benefit of Indians, Delhiites do not remain deprived.
Your opponent are Sonat Bharati 3 times in MLA in this constituency. How do you see this?
The blessings of Baba Somnath are with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. It does not matter who stands before me, even if he is named Somnath.
So BJP won last 2 times 7 seats. So this, do you believe this time the 7 seats won the BJP?
Absolutely. Delhi is going to ensure there's going to be a hat trick in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. All 7 seats in favor of the BJP, and nationally, ab ki baar 400 par, fir ek baar Modi Sarkar.
If you win this election, you will get a cabinet ministry post.
I'm a lawyer. I only talk in facts. What you're asking is conjecture and hypothetical situation. I don't know.
Final question. What political lesson learned from your mother?
My mother didn't teach me political lessons. She taught me life lessons. And she taught me to be fearless and to work relentlessly and tirelessly. Stop worrying about the results. Leave it to Krishna.
So what message give to the New Delhi voters?
25th of May, please come out and vote. I know it's going to be boiling hot, but remember, your summer vacation starts on 26th of May. 25th of May belongs to the nation. Come out in large numbers and vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Make sure that you press the button close to the Kamal ka Nishan.